Hey, welcome back everyone. So we're taking a look at the LEGO Harry Potter Hogwarts Express item number 75955. This train set is awesome. So generally train sets do amazing in retirement and since it's LEGO Harry Potter, that adds a little benefit to it. So for $40, I just can't stress this enough. For investing purposes, that is a phenomenal price. And if you're just looking to build, hey, that's a solid price too. Right now, it's currently on Walmart.com. That's only having this sale. And maybe others have caught on, but right now, the first is Walmart. The max is currently 3. I know earlier in the day when this started, it was 5, but I think so many people have been buying it. So yeah, if you look, there's 1,000 plus people that bought this yesterday. So it is flying off the shelves. And let's take a quick look at some info about it. So this was first released in 2018 and it's going to retire at the end of 2022. And there's currently 801 pieces, so 10 cents a piece, that's pretty solid. The minifigs, you get 6, which are about equal to $16.06. And there's 3 unique figures. So I love unique figures. That adds more money to the set later down in the line. So it's a win-win. So if you're looking to check this out, please visit walmart.com. And I hope to hear from you. I want to know your opinions on the set. Have a good one.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.